Assalamu alaikum. The date is 23rd July 2025. Time is 16:16. Today we were planning on trading TXN, but my brother has made a plan for Tesla, so I'll be trading his plan. But I'll still put everything on video for TXN. The only interesting news that is driving the market today on a very light data docket day is that today in the post market, Tesla earnings come out, and US and Japan have reached a deal in which US is only tariffing Japan 15%, and Japan will be investing 550 billion in the US. These are the rest of the news we are trading. This is the TXN news. Shares trade lower in pre-market and extended trading after its quarter 3 forecast. While earnings was above most estimates, Texas Instruments was more cautious than expected, fueling concerns that recent tariff-driven demand may not last. Investor sentiment worsened during the earnings call as management adopted a more negative tone. Quarter 2 2025 USD EPS 1.41 expected 1.34. Revenue 4.45 billion expected 4.35 billion. Revenue rose 9% sequentially and 16% year over year, led by industrial. The automotive recovery remains shallow. China revenue was about 19% of total revenue sequentially in Q2. It noted that while tariffs are disrupting the global supply chain, industrial demand recovery continues. Outlook Q3 EPS 1.36 to 1.6, expected 1.51. Q3 revenue 4.45 to 4.8 billion, expected 4.62 billion. It said that guidance does not include changes relating to recent US tax legislation. MSFT was compromised. I think that must have been affecting the MSFT stock negatively. Well, not negative enough, but negative for sure. This is the news for rest of the world. Saving for myself if I ever need it in the future. Okay, this was done, and I think that is all we care about. That is all we care about, right? Let's switch to reports. No new reports. This is okay. Now we're done. I'll just quickly explain the plan on Tesla. The plan is very straightforward. Um, since this is a highly traded area in Tesla, 318 to 329 area, 329 to 332.5 being the lows of being the area where we expect Tesla to break. um we have determined that if Tesla steps into 336 to 338 area, that is where we start going long on Tesla, because Tesla has shown strength. If Tesla decides to stay in this area, it's entirely possible that Tesla decides to stay in this area because this was a previous consolidation zone. If Tesla does not break 336 area, if it stays below 335.5 area, we are short on Tesla for the entire day. We will try to take our partials out and whatnot. So, following that logic, we should be short on Tesla. Since this is my brother's plan and it is based on his analysis that Tesla should break yesterday's highs after showing a bullish momentum, the plan is not very complex. Alhamdulillah, it's very easy to understand. It's something everyone can follow along. We'll be trading this very simple plan. I think Tesla. Okay, I think that Tesla might. It's entirely possible that Tesla stays in this consolidation zone. It does not break 332. So if it's not breaking 335, I guess we stay short on Tesla. My brother was correct. I'll just follow his plan. I'll stick to his plan and I'll be trading his plan. So I'll wait for the market open. I think there still are how much time left? There are 9 minutes left. Inshallah, I'll see you. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, sorry, the market has opened, and Tesla has decided to drop. I have NXPI open since yesterday's buzz. Why am I only getting one? Tesla recovers, goes back up to 331. We take a short. Classic trading view. I shorted there. Just okay. That Werner position is going to stay forever, I feel. Okay. 329 is being held. So what is this suggesting? This is suggesting the Tesla was sold with volume, but it was absorbed 3 times in a row. This area, especially 330. A lot of buy orders at 329. A lot of sell orders at 332. I think we take our exit there. SL here at 54. I don't know how I'm supposed to trade this. Do I wait? 331 is the upper end of the consolidation, so I'll just wait. Okay, 332.5 was failed. We are seeing buy orders at 332.5 now. Tesla is touching 334 again. What if it fails now? Do we take short or do we go long? Or like, do we wait till 336? Because it's showing signs of indigestion at 334. Yeah. I put it on the speaker. See something? Yeah, yeah. Ideally, it should fall. No, I'll just wait. I'll just wait for the plan. Very bro, patient plan you gave, man. I'm just saying. Really, you need some patience for this plan, bro. Mashallah. Yeah. Now in the stock market, only the patient ones win, bro. And plus, there was no major, like, for example, this reversal, there were only 1,000 buyers, 900 buyers. There were no big buyers that died out of nowhere. When big buyers die, then graveyard comes, you know. हाँ जी अली हाँ जी उसने नहीं खाया really 336 is up there in the sky, man. I think this is full day trade 336. Yeah, yeah, true. We made plan of yesterday's high, no. Okay, bro, shit and buyers died, bro. 25K buyers died here. Oh my goodness. Buyers were aggressive, but is this price where I should see committed buyers? Mm, you might actually go. It might, it might. No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's called retention. If you were to stop for too long, you will have sense for that stock. So even if you do BS, you still like make okay money. I'm waiting for 336, bro. I ain't moving before 330 before it touches 336. I'm that committed seller, man. I'm committed to the level of 336. Tesla gives me 3036, only then will I move. No seller, short seller. What? Hamza? What did you learn from 331's story? 331 pe we saw the same thing and then we entered long because we saw the same thing. But 331 is not a fundamentally important level. The first and the most important thing in trading is market structure. You know, the price needs to be fundamentally important. 334 पे अगर activity हो भी रहा है, for example, me and you planned for 336. 334 पे activity हो रहा है, we are watching. But if the same activity happened on 336, me and you would be behaving completely different. Same goes for the rest of the world. That price needs to be important for me to act on it. 334 पे? I don't know. That we'll have to go and check. Check now. Check now. I'm recording, man. I'll lose the levels. वो DOM, the level 2 market. I want to see in the future. Sellers are committed to this set of sellers are committed to 334, but it depends on how strong this committed sellers are and how much of the market do they affect. Maybe they affect the market for 15 minutes, maybe they affect the market for the entire day. But there is a small set of buyers that are committed to this level, to 334. Why we do not know, but there are. Hmm. Just 34.5 and then dipped. Mm-hmm. मैं एक ड्रग एडिक्ट हूँ जो ड्रग्स करता है. Big sell orders at 334.5, bro. Almost 12,000. We need 12,000 buyers to break this level. And we got those buyers. No, it ate all the sell orders at 334.5 and then it is now deciding to go down. Very sudden panic selling from the sellers. Actually, all of this panic is telling us stories, bro. Tuk, 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 tuk. Panic, panic. Even I'm closing the video here, bro. Even I'm closing the video. I feel very, very tired. मौत आ रही है उसे वहाँ पे. चलो ठीक है ब्रो. बाय.